What is going down, Duck Hunters? It is your GOAT, Tayisrage. And today we're going to be taking down the Exploding Rage mission for the new SMB event. Now, these fights really ain't that hard, I ain't gonna lie. Like, they're not that hard. But, the thing about these fights, these bosses can double, triple super. So, yeah. This is the best team I could concoct for Exploding Rage. It was weird trying to get Beast. Like, Beast doesn't, like, fit everybody on his leader skill. What do I want to do here? I'm putting him in slot 1 so we can get his in early. God Goku, I want you to get I want to get your orbs, but, I think I will. I think I can. Yeah. He needs orbs too, though. The Goku on the end there. What do I want to do here? I think I can just get 3 for God Goku, right? Yeah, 3 for God Goku. And 9 for him. Very optimal. I'm literally goated. I got my shit on dark mode right now. Wow, we took damage from that. It's good that he got hit there because he built up to a super attack. My goat. Now I've ran this fight probably only like 1 time. Honestly, like I completed it the first time, and then I did like a quick trial mission with another variant of the Explosion Rage team. Got mopped because I was using EZA. Y'all know that Prime Battle Kid Goku I was using? No, not Kid Goku. Kid Gohan. I was using him, and he just got mopped by this Goku. So he's not on the team anymore. It's okay. It's okay. It's good that I just recently got another copy of this Path to Power Kid Goku. My goat. My goods. Now we do beautiful. The Gohans are beside each other. I don't have to do no extra. Floating. What do I want to do here, huh? It's a lot of attacks and slots. Well, he'll be able to take it, right? I do have dodge on him. He could just dodge it. What are we thinking, boys? Do we believe in Fraud Hunt back there? He's not gonna get any. Well, we don't need to heal right now. Fucking Elmite. I'm doing this. I'm gonna get an Ultra Super Attack. And then I'll do this. Get this with Beast. And God Goku could get his additional here. So I will do that for him. It's an immediate super, okay. Maybe I should have put Beast in slot 1. 300k, that's okay. That's alright. Now, it is more hits in slot 2. I mean, yeah, so in slot 2, so Beast will be able to build up more. Yikers. Was that the wrong play there, boys? Beast, what are you 3 dodging for? Okay. Sure, bud. And then God Goku, you give me a good 3 here. You can give me a good 3 supers. 3 supers, God Goku. I know you got it in you. My goat. Bro, I got shafted so hard when God Goku first came out. So hard, bro. 1,500 stones. And got 1 copy. Crazy work. But I got copies of him now, my goat. Okay. Okay, we got our revive up. No, we healed. Okay, no, we still got it up. Okay. I thought we healed out of it. Now, this is Barracuda's revive. Fucking hell. Huh. All the units on our team are kind of mid. That's the problem. Can I play him in slot 1? Okay, the AGL orbs just had to break up, huh? We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Might go. Now we do got a revival, but I really don't want to pop it this turn, honestly. I really don't. Because there's 2 more phases to this fight. W crit. Okay, you could have supered. Alright. Now Goku. Should I have floated Goku? No, I mean the orbs weren't. I couldn't have floated him with how the orbs were looking. I just hope AGL Gohan will be okay back there. My boy will get his super there. He got 24 additional on him, so my goat he'll get the super. He'll get the super. My goat. This Gohan, bro, this Gohan cold. He's legendary. He's a legendary card for sure. Super! What the hell? Bro. Okay, he does have dodge on him. Yes, Sirski! How much, bro? That dodge saved us like 120k. Am I wrong? 10 dodge saved us 120k. Alright. Beast here. I don't need to active for real. I kind of want to get the H. Dokkan. Wait, what is Path to Power Kid Goku? What is his active skill? It's an offensive active skill, so I don't think we really need to pop it. Nah. This is the play. Get as many Rainbow Wars with him as possible. No! We don't have 7. I hate this game. Oh, I hate this game. Do we kill here? Bro, how did I not get 7 orbs there? I hate this game. I'm scared. I'm scared. Beast. He'll crit here. Might go. He'll crit. Do we kill though? I believe we do. Beast is just too built up, bro. That's the perks of having him built up, bro. He's just shooting out crazy damage. Ah, he could have gave us another one, bro. Come on, Beast. Nah, this is nothing, by the way. Yeah. Okay, don't let me down, Oldheim. Please. Please, bro. He has no crit. My guy has no crit. He can only additional super. He gets it, though. Okay. Yeah, I did not want Path to Power to get hit there, man, honestly. Okay, he'll finish it. There we go. Oh, my. If he additional normal... If he additional normal there, bro, I would have tweaked. I would have tweaked. Okay, that's good. Second phase. We do still have our vibe up. Double Guy Goku is not what I'm loving here. This is actually terrible. I just healed our revive off. Oh no, we still have it. So I guess it's not HP condition, huh? At the start of the character's attacking turn, 59%. Okay, so yeah, that's why we still have it. Well, boys, I'm putting the friend in slot 1. Ah, the friend has no dodge, does he? 14. 16 with higher defense, yeah. Okay, we don't really need to heal. How can I drop these orbs here? Oh yeah. Ah, that's not 6. You're kidding. 3 then, okay. We'll be fine. The God Goku's got their dodge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You dodge, boys. Yes, sir, Ski. Come on, God Goku. Let me see something. My boy is goated. This is a God Goku movie. I didn't even know it. I didn't even know it. Come on. Now, I wonder. I think they do have type advantage in the last phase. The God Goku's W dodge. Do you feel like critting here, Berku? Do you feel like critting? Ah! That's okay. I'm actually not sure. Okay, oh, we can attack lower them. We can attack lower them, we can defense lower them, and we can seal them. I didn't even know that. Okay, then. My boy's gonna get through it, though. No additional super. No additional super. What are we feeling here, boys? What are we feeling? I feel like they can, yeah, they can triple and double super. No, I popped this. Yeah, I popped this. And then Beast. No. I do this. He's not gonna get no key on. Boys. No. I'm thinking too hard here, boys. I'm thinking way too hard. I'm gonna just try to get the revive up next turn. Bro, what the fuck? Oh no, Beast gives us key. Beast gives us key, okay. Beast gives us key, yes sir, he does. My goats. Okay. Beast, okay, yeah. Beast, he'll be fine, he'll be fine. Kinda glad I didn't put Gohan there now. Yeah. And then give us like 2-3 supers, my goat. Please, at least 2. Now Gohan on the end might take some little damage if he gets supered, and that would be good if it was just enough damage to put us under 59% HP. So we can have our revive up next time. Okay, hopefully he gets a couple supers here and not just one. Please, my goats. I'm not even sure what his chances are. He does attack lower though, which is huge. Okay. Well, what did he take over? What did he take here? Good attack lower. I know he won't die. 300k? That's under 59% HP, right? Why are you double supering? Dodge. Why are you double supering? Why are you double supering? We live! What? How much HP do we have? What the fuck did I just witness? What did I just witness? Yeah, our revive is up, okay. Our revive is up, yeah. Do I go God Goku here? I kind of want to kill this turn because they're definitely gonna double super in that last slot, like, and that's even if we make it there. So to kill them before, boys. I think I will pop this actually. I want to play this because I ain't seen it in a minute actually. His active skill. W crit. Put him in slot 1. Now, do we want to transform with God Goku here as well? He crits for 3 turns and has a great chance of dodging. Hold on, that's actually crazy. Yeah, I'm transforming with God Goku. Bro, this animation looks so good. Dokkan killed this animation. Dokkan killed this animation. They killed that shit. Dokkan killed that shit. What the hell? Here. Ah, boys. What a, like... Like, I can't even heal here, dude. Why are there so many HGO orbs right here? And I don't want to pop an item. If we revive here, we revive here. That's a good amount of orbs though. That we need. We need them 7. Okay, good attack break. Of course, it's a fucking super anyway. Dodge. No, we're dead here. Yeah, damn. Really? Really? Okay, nice. I said this fight was weak. Maybe if you're using a strong team. Oh yeah, look at the shine in his eyes. He's literally okay. Beast. 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 This could actually be a floating Ohan could be dashed. I can't float that nigga. I can't float Ohan. He'll die. But I don't want to. I can heal here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Beast is literally cracked. So fine. He's fine. 20 for Beast. Okay, my goat. He's gonna kill him? Yeah, I mean, a silly question. A silly question. Is he gonna kill him? Yes. He's literally Beast Gohan. He's cracked. Second best one in the game. Best one in the game. Okay, yeah, we do have type advantage over this Goku here. Shit, we already revived, so this Tech Goku is kind of a fish. Yeah. I mean, he has all his links up. What? He doesn't stack defense on 12 key, that's ass. Within the same turn after receiving an attack. Guards is, okay, he's, oh. I mean, he's guarding with, he's a fish. He's a fish right now. To this Goku, I believe. Yep. Maybe. We'll see. He's guarding. He is guarding, but AJ Ultimate Gohan doing his job too. Okay, we have Gary. We have a 70% chance to die in here, by the way, with this guy Goku. Hold on, I mean, God Goku is cooking. He's gonna cook, surely. Let me get my guy Goku on the rotation with this one. It may be a good idea. It may not be. Oh, we dodge this. Surely. That's Dokkan. We actually... I mean, we type advantage. We're type advantage, yeah? We are type advantage here. That does matter. 10 mil for this Tech Goku. Okay. I think that's my first time seeing him receive 10 mil. Do you want to crit my guy? Does he crit? Ah, this guy has a damage threshold. I didn't even know that. Yeah. I should have kept Tech Go. I should have kept AGL Gohan on rotation, shouldn't I? Yeah. Potentially, I could float Ohan here. Would I? I'm gonna just pop this one home. He sounds like a baby, dude. Oh, okay. I like that animation, but it could have been better, right? This is what we feeling here? Do I just want to float beast? Do I float beast here? I think I don't really think I need to float beast actually. Yeah, because I can heal here. I can heal with this. Get the Dokkan attack. Drop the tech orbs for this Goku. That's 9 for him. We should be fine here. I don't think we're in trouble. Now this Dokkan attack is going to be crazy. Hold on. My Goat beats Gohan. Yeah, 22 mil. Oh yeah. Watch out, Goku. Watch the fuck out, Goku. Yeah, we did get the ultimate super attack with the Gohan in the middle of W. Come on, my goats. Crush him. Woo! 28 million, yes, Sasuke. Kill this man, Gohan. Lay him down. Ah, come on, Beast. Come on, Beast. 16 from this guy, okay. Do we? Yeah, we already active skilled, huh? We already active skilled. Hold on. Has he not supered yet? Pop the power crit Goku. Please don't die. He should be okay, right? W crit. Okay. I'm not actually... I don't think he raises defense on super attack, so... These are kind of pointless if you don't kill him. Yeah, no crit. Yeah. 9. Okay. He's getting up there. He's getting up there. Does he want to give us one more? Can he? He's not critting, dude. Oh my. Oh. Dodge. You have dodge. He's got 10 dodge. 10 dodge. 10 dodge. 10 dodge. 10 dodge. 10 dodge. Nope. Are we dead? No. You know what? Maybe I'm underestimating him heavily. Maybe I'm heavily underestimating him because he does get. I'm underestimating him for sure. We don't have as many links up here as I thought we would, huh? Yeah. I mean, this rotation will kill him. You know what, do I? This does damage, right? Yeah. Okay, got Goku. Let's see. We really don't even need yours right here. GG, boys. That is Exploding Rage. Exploding Rage. The Exploding Rage team for this mission. My goats. That was a pretty good run. I ain't gonna lie. That was pretty clean. That was pretty clean. God Goku did his job. He didn't really get cooked for real. We were able to get Berku's revive off. He needs to crit here. It's cool. Okay, my guy Goku will finish it. My guy Goku will finish it. But this guy, I mean this Spirit Bomb Goku must got some crazy damage reduction or something, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, his defense goes up every time we hit him. That was his gimmick. Yeah, I forgot. Well, that is the Exploding Rage mission, everybody. This team, it kind of performed better than I thought it would. You know, I was a little hesitant of putting God Goku on the team, but you know, we made it work. I'm just a minute over my personal best too. Well, thank you for watching this video. The link to the Discord is in the description. Hop in here, we can have a good ass time. And peace.